Hello and welcome to my tutorial series on editing host files on Windows 7. A host file lets you remap a domain name to a new IP address. To start, we're going to use Notepad to edit our host file. I have it right here, but you could go to All Programs, Accessories, Notepad. Either way, it doesn't really matter. Now, it's important you just don't click and open the program. What you need to do is right-click, click Run as Administrator. You may see a user account control window come up, verifying that action. And once it's loaded, we can now edit our host files. Go to File, Open, and I'm already in the directory, but I'm going to navigate to it just to show you how. First, start at your local C drive, so just click Local Disk over here. Then click Windows. Next folder is System32, then Drivers, etc. or etc. And you'll notice this folder appears empty, but actually it's just the filtering caused by this option here. Just set it to all files and it will show all the files. And click on Hosts. And here is the default Windows host file. They're pretty simple to edit and they give a nice little example right here. Here's the domain name we want to remap, and here is the new IP address. And now I'm going to just show you a quick example. Remove one of these pound or number signs. It doesn't really matter what you call it. And now we are going to remap google.com to my localhost IP address. So I'm going to just enter my local IP address. I'll just just copy it right from here. And then google.com. That's not quite right. There we go. And you got to remember when you're doing this, you got to remap the www address as well. So after this, we can do www. And now both google.com and www.google.com will go to my localhost server instead of Google servers. Click Save. And now we'll refresh Google. As you see right now, Microsoft just warned me about this modification. I am well aware of it. There we go. And now I'm going to undo this change by simply putting a pound sign in front of them. If you ever use something like CSS or C++ or any sort of JavaScript code, you'll know this is kind of similar to commenting out a line. It's actually the same thing, just a different symbol. And now click Save. We'll close this down. And now when we refresh Google, it goes back to Google's website instead of our website. Thank you for watching this tutorial.